back to the channel. This time we have a 2026 X6 M60i, getting another Valvetronic exhaust setup. These are going to be real similar to the G chassis X5 that we've done, the XV7s that we've done. They're all real similar, but then also slightly different, which is why when you unbox these, there's so many variants and pieces that Valvetronic sends you. So we have like a couple different tip options that we can do for the OEM tips. We have their own tips that we can use if we remove this surround out of it. And then of course the connections to the downpipes and stuff are different model to model and length and so on and so forth. So there's a whole lot of pieces here, and you'll kind of have to fine tune it as you build it. So we are going to start tearing all the trim off this thing and start putting it together.
You want to say something messed up for the video?
No, it's okay. You won't put it in, Trevor.
I will.
I will. Okay.
I will put this in.
What do you want me to put it in?
Yep.
You know what they say about these?
Wrapped up. Found a better way to make the tips work so it doesn't look so sunk in as we were wrapping up yesterday. So we changed that around this morning, got that done. It's outside, so we're gonna go drive this thing, get some clips of it, and see how you like it.